We are sold out. So empty. We got a couple more stuff. Mostly Sylvia stuff. So if you guys do need Sylvia front fenders, I have about 2 pairs left of each. And that, believe it or not, is my personal items that I'm keeping.
These are all yours?
Yeah. And John, Ebola here. I need to grab Randy's carbon fiber splitters for his Supra, which I don't think he's gonna put on anymore. John's gonna deliver all Randy's parts to him. It's your job, man. What else did I need? I don't know if you guys saw that I posted my blue car for sale because something else popped up. See how big these rear overs are, John? It goes to the whole side. Here's the front bumper. At least me, Randy, and Sonny will have all different looking FDs. And Mike, we all have different looking FDs. The rear bumper is kind of like an Origin race line. We gotta go home. We got a car coming. Gabe's R32. It's being dropped off from his house. So I gotta go. Remember Gabe? It's actually moving back. Eventually, he'll move to the land with us. Just Coda's occupying one of the rooms. So until Coda leaves, which Coda's leaving April, which sucks. Gabe is a freaking character. I can't wait for him to be back.
Tires are here.
Nope, they're mine. They're mine.
Tires are here, but my wheels are still not done.
225, 35, that's the magic number, boys. Take notes. 10Js.
Yeah, guys, I got 18s. You can all hate on me now. Everyone thinks my car's gonna have tiny wheels on it. Don't worry, guys, I'm disappointed in myself too. Tiny wheel boys.
Just got this in the mail too. Last pieces of the puzzle. We got Lorenzo coming out next week on Tuesday. Finally gonna get the LS on bag, so hopefully we'll be all moved in by then. That's like the last thing that we need to get everything at the land. It's just gonna be the LS left here.
Gotta bring the rest of the studio.
What are you gonna do with your drums and your penis?
My penis?
Yeah, man. We don't need this thing, huh?
Yeah, I'll throw that one away.
And these, I don't think I want to bring these. I'm just freaking give them away or something.
Yeah.
Okay, for the giveaway.
These, what do I do with these? Just give them away. Too much stuff, bro. So I got these bride seats a while ago. I got bride, whatever you guys want to call it. I got 2 of these, and homie Richard hit me up, and they make seat rails and stuff, so he's gonna drop me off a pair of seat rails for the 180 for the FC. Mr. Neighbor just pulled us up. We got us doing the GX running. Dang, the polished. Are these just polished 250Z wheels?
Yeah, that was the anniversary.
Dang, good for you, man. It's been a while, huh?
It's been about 18 months. About 18 months I was working on it. COVID helped get it done. Because I was at home.
He did it all in his garage.
Yeah.
Cool, man.
Alright.
I'll catch up with you.
Alright, bye.
We'll stop by and you gotta buy us some wheels for this thing, yeah?
I'm trying to figure out, man. I gotta buy it for the other one.
It's funny, he's been cruising by for a while
I
now.
don't know what, because I'm still at 100 miles on the bill.
Oh, okay, you breaking it in? Side mount intercoolers. That guy's funny, dude. He comes by all the time. He just always like peeps out what we're doing. He's always talking about building that car, and like I never really seen it, and he actually built it. That's crazy.
He's just like a neighbor?
Yeah, he lives right up the street.
Oh, really?
And he always comes over like showing pictures of the motor just all over his garage on the floor. I'm like, you got a big job, bro. And that's the first time I've seen him since he finished it. That's crazy. He actually got it running.
Oh, dude.
But this is Richard. Like I said, I told you guys.
What up, man?
So you guys make seat rails, or you have a company that make, or what's the deal with your company?
So Garage Star makes seat rails, mainly for like JDM applications.
Okay.
And we just came out with the version 2 for the 240SX, and
Yeah.
I mean, you got a pretty sick 240, so.
Cool, man.
Or
Well,
just 180, so.
Garage Star, we'll tag them. I don't know if you want me to tag your personal account or I'll tag both. Do you guys have a Garage Star Instagram?
Yeah, at Garage Star, at Richard Kim, 2 N's.
All right.
Yes, sir. Let's fucking open
Check
this shit
them
out,
out,
bro.
dude.
We've been watching you guys since the beginning.
No way.
Yeah, here's a flag.
No way. More than worry flags.
And then
Sick. Add that to the
the
collection.
driver's side. The driver's side is version 2. So this is our newest one.
13 and 14.
Yeah, we just want your feedback on it. See how you like
Right-hand
it.
drive.
Right-hand drive, yes sir.
So is it a solid mount rail, or is it adjustable, or?
It is adjustable. It's like the brackets. There's no rail. We have like a specific type of slide.
I wish you hit me up like last month before Jordan got his bunk seat rails.
My seat freaking hits the ceiling of my car.
Yeah.
Are you serious?
His seat rails are like this high, dude.
Oh man.
He's so legit. Like, look how low the mounting is. It's like you're sitting on the ground. Dang, these are actually really nice. Yeah, I like the wrinkle coat.
32's here.
Oh, we got a present,
Another
guys.
car.
This is the version 2 right here.
Your wheels on the wrong side.
I know, huh? It's weird. Right-hand drive.
Alright, man.
Thank you, sir.
All yours.
All good to go?
Yeah.
All right. This thing will be up for sale. If you guys are interested, hit up Aaron's garage for this car. See you later, man. Thank you. Back to the seat rails.
So that's the version 1s. This should be for the passenger.
Okay, this is for the passenger.
And then these are the version 2s. We just came out with them.
And what's the difference exactly?
It's more adjustability.
Okay.
And it's just like refinished to make it more.
They look really good, dude.
It's for like tall people, you know. So like no matter your height, like you could have a really low seat or you could have a higher seat.
Okay, yeah, I like how there's so much adjustment.
Yeah.
And this locks in, and that you can move it, right? You loosen these and you move it, so
Yep.
it'll slide forward. The seat will slide forward. Dang, it's legit. This is the same finish I have on my valve cover. That wrinkle, it's like a wrinkle coat, yeah?
Right, yeah.
Yeah. Sick, man.
We actually came out with a new collaboration with our good friends at Hennessy.
Oh,
Got that limited edition Garage Star Hennessy. You know how it is, man.
dang,
for you, brother.
what? Thank you, man. I
course,
appreciate
dude,
it.
of One of one.
Dang.
You're gonna find that anywhere.
That's awesome, bro. Are you Filipino by chance? Or are you not?
What do you think I am?
I'm like, Filipinos love Hennessy. Vietnamese?
I'm Korean.
You're Korean?
Yeah.
Oh, you should have known, Jordan.
You know, say,
Oh yeah, let's do it too. Hey, sorry, man. We got freaking.
No, do you think?
Now I gotta sell parts.
another one.
Here's your still 80, Jordan. Dang. Sick. Got the old school kit on. Homie's picking up new Type 3 fronts.
Hell yeah, dude.
Got them before they're gone, dude. Rears next.
Yeah, I got a pair of 2F Performance, the
Okay.
full rear end kit. I'm gonna end up cutting that whole back half off.
No, why? Did it
Dude.
crash?
No, look at the back. It's completely separated from the car, other than the lights that's holding it on.
Are you serious? It's
Yeah.
all split.
Yeah. All this rust, like this entire whole back right here was rusted out.
You're kidding me.
So I cut all the way forward. I put a fuel cell in there. Yeah, dude.
Dang, it's a legit 180, huh?
Yeah.
Tight. It's always cool to see customers bring their cars over. Except when they come in a Supra and they're buying wheels.
Hey, man.
You guys are crazy for that. I can't believe you brought a Supra here to buy wheels. That was tight though. Dang, this is legit.
Thank you.
Who did all the fab work?
DefWorks up in LA.
Drive safe, man.
Dude.
This thing doesn't fall apart.
to the seat
Back
rails.
to the seat rails. What? So I don't mix up. What's the biggest difference between V1 and V2?
So the V2 you
taller?
can sit a little bit lower, yeah.
Oh, okay, I see.
And then we kind of switched up the bracket, so we have a little bit more adjustability.
Oh, so you can slide them too.
Yeah, but V1, V2, they're both quality products.
And what's the price on these guys that you guys charge?
V1's on sale right now. I believe it's like 145 to 175.
Okay.
And the V2s are new, so we're still working on them. We just finished up the prototype.
GarageStar.com. We'll link that. You guys can find that in the description.
There.
Oh, I'm stoked. I got so many flags saved up. My garage is about to be lit, dude.
All right, brother.
Hopefully I can install them soon. I'll shoot you guys some pictures when I get them in.
Yeah, please do.
So we got...
Man, this thing can fit a lot.
I know, it's legit, dude. Hatches, bro. This is for Randy. Here you go, Randy. Randy gave me the BN front, so I hooked him up with some wings. What is this? John has my first Type 3s I ever bought 8 years ago. I gave them to John, and he's still using them. We finally got a brand new set of Type 3s.
It took you like a year.
Dude, my bad, man. Cool. I sold the car and then the 32 just takes its parking spot. We're getting nowhere here. Jordan got his 5 lug here. We're putting those on. No more long champs. Yeah, it's great, dude. Leah has a box of clothes I gotta bring.
And TV.
TV will go in the back seat on your lap.
Is that gonna fit? The computer's in there already.
We just spent like... How long did it take us to do that, Josh?
All morning.
Freaking
The tent was all the way over there.
the tent just flew over there. It hit the house actually.
Yeah, I seen it.
All the arms.
John woke up and then he fell back asleep.
Yeah, I was like, oh, I'm not
All
dealing
these
with this.
arms completely bent.
Yep.
You had to
These
do
two
some makeshift.
freaking ripped apart.
Don't even look at that. But I had to self-tab every single pull in. But it's up.
Looks
We just
good,
can't
man.
put the doors on the end because there's too much wind.
Yeah, we have to wait till we're actually ready to paint. But I got this freaking spinny thing that Koda was talking about. And we tested it out.
And it doesn't work. I'm just kidding.
It's pretty good.
Does it get this stuff off? Oh!
So, I'm gonna start working on my car again.
Let's try Koda's GTR. See if we can take the GTR.
Take off all the pace car livery.
Can you make that background pictures?
Looking good, guys. What are these guys doing? What are you guys doing?
Huh? We just figured out that we can make fire. You guys ever seen this before? Fire. It's not big enough.
It's freaking huge, guys.
It's not, dude. It's just an illusion.
It hurts my eyes.
Dude, that's blazing.
I think we need more.
Well, it's like
Shoot this
30
in slow-mo.
degrees out, dude. Just making solid over here.
Toss it in the fire.
Alright, we'll grab some more. Yeah, we need to grab some more, dude. We have an unlimited supply of brush.
You guys are just going back and forth. No purpose.
Hey, this used to be a fat bush, dude. I wish you guys saw it. We're killing two birds with one stone, you know? Just cleaning up the land and making a fire. Fix that.
We can already clean up my side.
Dude, these sticks.
My side's already all clean.
Dude, that's like lighting hair on fire. Oh my god.
Wow, it's like burning hair.
Yeah, it is like burning hair.
It feels like the Philippines again. It's burning trash.